The one on Fifth Street? Got this cool little artwork over there next to that huge metal structure. But we're going to look for a car on the wall. So let's go find it. Here it is, car on the wall. That is crazy. Now I'm kind of scared to stand right here because I've seen Final Destination. Jesus, it's like I can hear it creaking right now. That's cool. Very cool. Gonna go check out what this is. So let's go check it out. Sorry about the wind. It's made out of old tires. Pretty cool. Looks like we have stumbled upon an art museum, a contemporary art museum that we are going to go find out what's inside. Already outside, they have a nature art exhibit, and these are made out of wire. Pretty cool. Can't wait to go in. Get it. Alright, we are in, and admission was free, which is very exciting.
Yeah, like who does that?
So, let's check it out. It says this is temporarily out of service. It looks like you get a little painting or something with, I guess, the money you put in. Look at this cool little creation. Looks like it's made up of bean bags, paper mache bean bags. Very cool. This staircase is called the Winter Ball Staircase. And as you tell, it goes way up there. Also known as a ceremonial staircase. It's very cool. Very cool little staircase room. Alright, we're here. 3rd level. I don't know if you guys can see this. Here's some wire art. It says on June 16th, she has invited audience to help cut down her beautiful creation. All this string. So I'm cutting it down with her. And there's like multiple strings within each one of these strings. Exciting. And over here, we have this creation. We'll have to go look at the name. Look how it's cast in the shadows. All that little detail. This was called Only from the Heart Can You Touch the Sky.
There's dances.
How long has this been here? This building? I mean,
2019.
Empty theater. She said they use it for all sorts of events.
Right, well actually the grand opening, right before that happened, like
Alright, we're going into this now. It's like these tell a story on both sides. This is very cool. So much to try to get in. Alright, going into a huge empty mirror room. She really didn't hit it on the head with that navigate yourself stuff, did she? We're going into an empty room. We're lost. The rain has decided to make a cameo appearance. Good day, mate. Nature. Stopping to get gas. You see a little, and you can hear it probably, the bag I put over my camera so the rain won't touch it.
Off to the north, can see the rain and storms across portions of Perry, moving into Red Rock, Marlin, Ponca City, Blackwell, and Billings, all seeing a very nice, beneficial rain that's ongoing. Now, as far as any hail, there is a possibility that we could get some very small, isolated pockets of up to pea-size hail, but nothing right now is severe. Not seeing anything larger than that, that's for sure.
Yeah, there's some statues over here. Big, tall Western guy and some horses. It's too wet to get a close-up, though. I've seen that donuts on the Google.
Whoa.
Found this cool mural driving through Wynneewood. We are at the GW Exotic where Joe Exotic's Tiger King area was. Those are where the cage is.
And let's look
And this
over here.
could possibly be where they were staying.
I think so. I mean, they're all abandoned, I think, except for that RV.
Oh my god.
That's kind
And they're all junky like they were talking about on the TV. One of the trials of being on the road.
It's right
You got a hole in the tire.
I think that might be.
In Wynneewood, Egypt, Oklahoma. It's hampered our parade, but we will fix it. Alright, we got the tire inflator. Hopefully this works.
Hopefully. I've never ever done this. So I just, oh god.
Yes.
I feel like this isn't right. Is this screwed?
Yeah, you got it. There you go, you got it.
No, I think this. Ugh. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh god. So we'll just go straight to that Walmart.
Alright.
I didn't want it.
Don't even blame you.
Yeah.
I don't want to be on the side of the road to get there.
No, especially not in rain. I mean, a blowout in rain just makes slick and then just can cause things that aren't
Or in the
necessary.
absolute middle of nothing.
Okay, so it isn't. This is dope.
Alright, it says to drive 3 to 5 miles, so we are off to do that. We're at the Walmart to see if they can fix our tire.
Including Senator Charles Grassley of Iowa, the top Republican on this committee, have promised that it will be a thorough and a fair and non-circus-like environment. I think that probably is healthy.
The gates are.
Well, the dude Walmart were no help, so. And mean. He was rude.
Yeah, he was. Where should we go?
But AAA it is.
Yeah. We'll just park here and eat some donuts or something.
Pulling in to a little restaurant they call Happy Days.
Services. We will gladly tow your vehicle. However, we ask that you arrange for your own personal transportation. Your AAA call counselor will be happy to assist you if needed.
Alright, we're going into the Happy Days. Already got the diner theme for sure going, and we haven't even made it in.
Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. We've never been in a place like
Happy
this.
days
This is
happened
cool.
way before Boomerang.
I was like, literally, I've just been doing a boomerang. I was like, this looks so.
Got the bacon cheeseburger with the ranch salad
Yes.
and nasty onions on the side.
Milkshake and like the breakfast special with the syrup.
Kablam.
Kablam. Man, this is freaking good.
Yeah.
Did you see that thing I tagged you in and that lady from Yankee Dime? Or
Maybe. Where she already went to the thing?
you know that I finally posted that picture of me in that mask,
Oh.
and I tagged her in it, and she was like, "Oh, how sweet, thank you."
She was cool.
Yeah, I felt bad not getting something there. That's why I said that we would go back and get some. Because I would like to. She had some really cool stuff.
Mm-hmm. Alright, burger
Is that
test.
him? Oh, that is
Burger test. Waiting for the tow truck. We think we missed it twice, so I'm on my own on this one. The old Renee Stevens is out there dealing with the tire in the tow truck, so we got that going.
He was just wanted, I don't know, I didn't know why he asked me to get it. I'm like hunched over, like my butt cracks out, like I'm facing this freaking hotel. He's like, will you hand that to me? And I'm like, he could have just been like, I need this one.
You told him to be a man. Do what men do.
So I'm like, bend over, I'm like, let me get that for you.
You made it.
Big gruff man, yeah.
He's like, do you know how to change a tire? He's gonna have you.
And he closed the tailgate on me, so I had to jump out.
Looks like they've got the spare on. So we might just go to zoom zoom. In Paoli, Oklahoma, we find these old relics of old playgrounds. I'm gonna cut the slide off the metal slide. Merry-go-round. Little bars behind it. This shoveling. The animals that you teeter and totter on.
Yeah, sorry. So yeah, it's just like in the middle of nowhere. There's just this creek. And if you can see, right there, can you see the car?
Yeah.
And then there's kind of another one that's covered by a bush right over there.
Quick pit stop at Rosedale Cemetery in the middle of Egypt, and you find these old headstones like this out here.
This one looks pretty cool.
And some more oldies.
I think it's 1918.
Got one here from 1942. This one that's in a cage over here. What does it say? 1814.
Miss Vaz?
Over here we have a headstone that's lost in this sauce over here. When does it say? 1910.
Wow, look at that. That's sick.
That is sick.